We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and detailed overview of the Bumkins Nintendo bibs for girl or boy. Specifically, the Super Bib with cape, themed after the beloved Legend of Zelda. If you have experience with this product, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help other parents make informed decisions. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Bumkins Nintendo SuperBib is designed for babies and toddlers aged 6 to 24 months, aiming to provide a practical, fun, and effective solution for messy meal times. Its standout feature is the crumb catcher or catch-all pocket, which is engineered to trap food spills and crumbs, minimizing the mess that typically accompanies self-feeding and baby-led weaning. The bib attaches securely over the back of the shoulder with a hook and loop closure, offering a quick, adjustable, and tug-proof fit. This is particularly useful for active babies who may try to pull off their bibs during meals. The snap-on cape adds a playful touch, transforming your little one into a character from the Nintendo universe, making mealtime more engaging and enjoyable. Constructed from 100% polyester embedded with TPU, Bumkins' original waterproof fabric, the Super Bib is both soft and strong. Parents consistently praise the durability of the material, noting that it stands up to repeated use and washing without losing its effectiveness or comfort. The lightweight design ensures that the bib does not feel heavy or hot, allowing babies to move freely and comfortably while staying protected from spills. The bib measures approximately 10 inches across and 9 inches from the neck down, providing ample coverage for the chest and upper torso, which is especially important during the early stages of self-feeding. Cleaning the Super Bib is a straightforward process. The waterproof fabric is easy to wipe clean for minor messes, and for more significant spills, it can be hand-washed or machine-washed. Parents recommend turning the pocket inside out before washing to ensure thorough cleaning. The bib dries quickly, and to extend its life, it is best to hang dry it rather than use a dryer. The fabric is designed to resist stains, and even stubborn foods like pasta sauce can be removed with a simple soak in warm water and mild soap. This ease of maintenance is a significant advantage for busy parents who need reliable, low-maintenance feeding accessories. Safety is a top priority for Bumkins, and the Super Bib is tested by third-party labs to ensure compliance with CPSC and CPSIA standards for BPA, lead, and phthalates. This gives parents peace of mind knowing that the materials used are safe for their children. The bib is also free from harmful substances and is suitable for sensitive skin. One of the most frequently mentioned positives in user reviews is the bib's fit and adjustability. The hook and loop closure allows for a snug fit that can be easily adjusted as the child grows, accommodating a range of sizes within the 6 to 24-month age bracket. The closure is designed to be tug-proof, but some parents have noted that older or stronger babies may eventually learn to pull the bib off. However, many see this as a sign that mealtime is over, and it does not detract from the overall utility of the product. The design and aesthetic appeal of the Super Bib are also major selling points. Featuring vibrant and fun Nintendo characters, the bib adds a playful element to mealtime that both children and parents appreciate. The cape attachment is a unique feature that sets this bib apart from others on the market, allowing children to feel like their favorite characters while eating. This can be particularly helpful for parents of picky eaters, as the excitement of wearing a character-themed bib can make mealtime more appealing. Some users have expressed a desire for more design options, including additional Mario or more neutral-colored themes, to better match their preferences or coordinate with other feeding accessories. In terms of performance, the Super Bib excels at catching food and liquids, reducing the amount of cleanup required after meals. The pocket is deep enough to catch most spills, and many parents report that their children enjoy retrieving food from the pocket and eating it, which can further reduce waste. The bib also performs well at catching water and other liquids, helping to keep clothing dry. However, it is important to note that the Super Bib is not designed to make mealtime completely mess-free. For parents seeking total coverage, especially during particularly messy meals, or for very active eaters, a long-sleeve bib or baby apron may be more appropriate. Nonetheless, the Super Bib offers a practical balance between coverage, comfort, and ease of use. The lightweight and portable nature of the Super Bib makes it an excellent choice for families on the go. It folds up easily for storage in a diaper bag or stroller, and its quick-drying fabric means it can be cleaned and reused multiple times throughout the day. Many parents have found the Super Bib to be a thoughtful and appreciated gift for baby showers or birthdays, especially for families who are fans of Nintendo or looking for unique, high-quality feeding accessories. Durability is another area where the SuperBib receives high marks. Users report that the bib holds up well to daily use, even after a year or more of frequent washing and wear. The fabric remains intact, the colors stay vibrant, and the closure continues to function effectively. This long-lasting performance makes the SuperBib a cost-effective investment for families, as it can be used for multiple children or passed on to friends and relatives once outgrown. While the majority of feedback is overwhelmingly positive, there are a few minor drawbacks to consider. Some parents note that the cape attachment, while fun, can make the baby feel hot during warmer months. Fortunately, the cape is removable, allowing parents to customize the bib based on the season or their child's comfort. Additionally, while the bib is designed to be tug-proof, particularly determined children may still manage to remove it. This is a common challenge with many bibs and is not unique to the SuperBib. Finally, a few users wish that the product came in packs of 3 rather than 2, as this would provide even more convenience for busy families. The SuperBib's versatility extends beyond mealtime. Some users have found it useful for arts and crafts or other messy activities, thanks to its waterproof and easy-to-clean design. The bib's generous coverage protects clothing during painting, coloring, or other creative pursuits, making it a multifunctional addition to any household with young children. In summary, the Bumkins Nintendo SuperBib with cape stands out as a practical, durable, and fun solution for managing mealtime messes. Its waterproof, stain-resistant fabric, adjustable fit, and engaging design make it a favorite among parents and children alike. The bib is easy to clean, quick to dry, and holds up well to repeated use, making it a reliable choice for families seeking a balance of functionality and style. While it may not eliminate messes entirely, it significantly reduces the amount of cleanup required and adds a touch of fun to everyday routines. The removable cape, vibrant Nintendo characters, and thoughtful construction set this bib apart from others on the market. If you are looking for a lightweight, easy-to-clean, and durable bib that appeals to both children and parents, the Bumkins Nintendo SuperBib is an excellent choice. Its positive reception across thousands of reviews and its high customer satisfaction rating reflect its quality and effectiveness. Whether you are starting baby-led weaning, looking for a unique gift, or simply want to make mealtime a little easier and more enjoyable, this bib delivers on its promises. Remember, the product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us bring you more in-depth reviews. If you have used the Bumkins Nintendo SuperBib, please share your experience in the comments to help other parents make the best choice for their families.